My name is Rigel, and I'm going to be presenting some learning in repeated multi-unit auctions. So in a multi-unit auction, there are many goods that are being sold, many identical goods. And the winners either pay two things. Either pay as bid, which is kind of like a first price variant, where if you win an item, you're just charged whatever you bid for the item, or there's second price variant, which is called initial price, where everyone is just charged whatever the lowest winning bid was. And these have applications that are pretty ubiquitous in electricity markets, US Treasury auctions, spectrum auctions, and procurement auctions as well. In practice, uniform price is a lot more popular than pay as bid, particularly for the first reason is that uniform price payments are fair. I mean, ideally, everyone should be paying the same amount for the same kind of good. But in recent years, there has been a transition to from second price to first price, kind of across the board, and that's because of the increased demand for payment transparency. And beyond this philosophical difference, we ask the question how these revenue, welfare, and the equilibrium structure, how they compare against one another. And we do a preliminary Nash equilibrium analysis, which suggests that pay as bid seems to do better in terms of revenue. But it's not the full story because first off, Nash equilibrium might not even exist. And second, you might care about natural learning dynamics more so. So you might want to analyze things like coarse correlated equilibrium. And our contributions are we design a no-regret learning algorithm for this problem. And we also give sufficient conditions for Nash equilibrium existence. And even without Nash equilibrium existence, we do demonstrate that pay as bid does deliver more revenue.